Lesson 2025. Welcome to Copify School. Today we're diving into the world of SEO to help you understand how search engines work and what's changing in 2025. If you want your website to rank well, you need to know how Google operates, what it values, and how you can stay ahead of the competition. How search engines work. Let's clear up a common myth right away. When you type something into Google, it's not searching the internet in real time. Instead, it's pulling from a massive, constantly updated database called the search index. There is where Google stores information about billions of web pages, and getting your site in there is the first step toward being found. The process starts with crawling. Googlebot, a digital spider, moves from page to page, gathering content and following links. Then comes indexing, where Google decides what information from a page is worth storing. Finally, there's ranking, where Google's algorithm determines how relevant and useful a page is for a search query. If your website isn't indexed, it won't show up in search results. So your first priority is making sure Google knows your site exists and understands its content. You can speed this up by having strong internal links, getting backlinks from reputable websites, and keeping your content fresh. What really matters for SEO in 2025? SEO isn't just about stuffing pages with keywords anymore. Google's ranking algorithm has evolved, and today it's all about relevance, user experience, and quality. Let's break it down. Content that solves problems. Google's job is to connect users with the best possible answers to their questions. That means your content should be clear, in-depth, and genuinely helpful. If a user searches for best running shoes, they don't want to land on a page filled with vague descriptions. They want detailed comparisons, user reviews, and expert opinions. Regularly updating your content is also key. Google prioritizes fresh, accurate information. So don't let your pages sit stagnant. Authority and trust matter more than ever. Backlinks are still a major ranking factor, but the focus has shifted toward quality over quantity. A few links from highly respected sites will do far more for your SEO than hundreds of low-quality links. If your brand is mentioned online, even without a direct link, it can still boost your credibility in Google's eyes. User experience is non-negotiable. If your website is slow, clunky, or frustrating to navigate, Google won't rank it highly. Page speed, mobile friendliness, and smooth navigation all play a crucial role in rankings. Sites that load quickly and keep users engaged will always have an advantage. In 2025, Google's core web vitals are more important than ever. These are metrics that measure how fast your page loads, how stable the layout is, and how quickly users can interact with it. If your site performs poorly in these areas, expect to struggle on search rankings. AI and personalization are changing search. Google's latest AI updates like BERT and MUM allow it to understand natural language better than ever before. That means it's getting smarter about understanding what people really mean when they search for something. For example, if someone searches for best budget-friendly coffee maker, Google won't just look for pages that contain those exact words. It'll look for pages that genuinely answer the question in detail. Personalization is also a bigger factor now. Your search history, location, and behavior all influence the results you see. This means businesses need to be smarter about targeting the right audience with the right content. Voice search is growing. Are you ready? With the rise of smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, more people are using voice search. These searches tend to be more conversational. People ask full questions instead of just typing keywords. To optimize for voice search, think about how people talk. Instead of just using the phrase best Italian restaurant, consider phrases like where's the best Italian restaurant near me? Local SEO is a game changer. For businesses with a physical location, local SEO is crucial. Google prioritizes nearby businesses in search results, especially for queries like best hair salon near me. If you haven't set up a Google business profile, now's the time. Consistent business details, Strong customer reviews and localized content will give you a serious edge. Common SEO mistakes to avoid. Not all SEO strategies are good ones. Here are some common mistakes that can actually hurt your rankings. Keyword stuffing. Repeating the same keyword unnaturally just doesn't work anymore. Google sees right through it. Buying links. If you're paying for shady backlinks, Google can and will penalize you. Ignoring mobile users. More than half of all searches happen on mobile. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you're losing traffic. Slow loading times. If your site takes forever to load, users will leave and Google will notice. Intrusive pop-ups. Nobody likes them, and Google penalizes sites that use them aggressively. Duplicate content. Google values originality. If you're copying content from elsewhere, don't expect to rank well. Final thoughts. SEO is a long-term investment. There's no overnight fix when it comes to SEO. It's a long game, but the rewards are worth it. The key takeaways: create content that truly helps users. Earn trust with high-quality backlinks. Make sure your site is fast and easy to use. Stay updated on Google's algorithm changes. Think long-term. SEO success doesn't happen in a day. If you stick with it, your site will continue to grow in visibility, attracting more traffic and ultimately more customers. Got SEO questions? Drop them in the comments and we might feature them in our next lesson. Good luck with your SEO journey!